as far as my background is concerned, so I'm from a rural background, from a village in UP. So so they have their different problems. So the problems of rural as well as urban areas are not same. But yeah, one thing is very same, that mental problems. So there they have some problems like my parents and siblings. So earlier I didn't think that, so far in like so many years they have been living peacefully, no problem. But suddenly what happened, or maybe I started observing things, because so then I observed that okay, there is something. Is there anything I can do for them as well as for these young kids, those who are asking and telling me about the depression and anxiety, all that issues? So I thought, okay, there means there is something. And then I was talking to my friends and I was scrolling social media. Then I came across the Counsel India. So before that, I explored plenty of options, that whether I can take help from any good platform. But then somehow I zeroed down to the Counsel India, and then I enrolled here, and then I studied the courses. So the course, like during the course, the journey of that study was like wonderful. The teachers was great, and I was told the different stories, and so all the things I came to know. And then I came to know, okay, those kids were not wrong when they were telling me that, sir, I have a problem and this severe depression and anxiety and all. And then I was able to correlate the problems facing by my parents back home in the village, because we don't realize that is this a term they must be facing there in the village. So so my brothers and the parents, they used to fight a lot over some trivial matters. And then so after taking the study of Counsel India, I started talking to them. And now, starting mein to it was very difficult to make them understand, obviously, because they have grown up and they are senior citizen now. So obviously हम सोच भी नहीं सकते कि अब वो कुछ समझेंगे, because they are already matured, they have a proper shape in their mind. But still I'm trying hard to make them understand, even कुछ भी चीज़ें आ जाए समझ में. तो things are getting better, and I'm able to understand more myself, that okay, I should say these things to my parents and my siblings, and I should not say these things to them. So after getting the education, the right education from Counsel India, I can correlate the issues faced by the teenagers, those who are in theatre and dance group, because these terms exist. They have the real problem, and I came to know about this because of the practices told by the Counsel India. And so in a nutshell, I would like to say that the practices told by here, they are working well. I came to know about my abilities and strength very well, and I am able to implement that and execute on the ground, and it's really working well. So thank you so much, Counsel India, and I will be able to provide that to the younger generation in the future. Thank you so much.